Pirkankatu 14, Tampere, staircase A.
Tampere, Tammerfors, Finland. Built in 1952, modernized in 2005, age 47123 persons, so 240 kilograms, 7 floors. It doesn't light up. Down here. But we were actually going to floor 1 first.
Ah, yeah.
Floor 2. That's why it didn't react.
Yeah.
But yeah, maybe we don't have to go to floor 1, it's more nice. I mean, we don't have to go to floor 1.
We can go there, but
Or
probably
I don't know.
just for ride down and then to third floor.
Yeah.
Or second floor.
Yeah. It's a bit slow.
Yeah.
Still have the old manual doors on the upper floors.
Yeah.
Pirkanmaan hissitekniikka.
Yeah.
Maintenance. Inspected by Kiva inspector.
Yeah.
Next time in 2020.
Yeah.
This modernization turning 15 years old.
Yeah. I think you forgot to say information.
I said it already.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I was going to floor 1 now.
Yeah.
Yep, this floor has the full automatic doors.
Yeah.
This should have door close buttons. But because of the manual doors, it doesn't have them.
Yeah.
Nice delta buttons, Times New Roman. And the 1952 was actually the same year as the Helsinki Summer Olympics. Oh, yeah,
That's it.